Hello, my name is Rob DiMazzo and I'm from Bucket Drums Rhythm Workshop. We bring fun, immersive and educational music experiences to primary schools no matter where you are. All our programs are age and curriculum driven and we want to bring them to your school in 2021. Here's a little taste of what we do. Do you like the drum? Do you like the drum? Do you? Do you? Do you like the drum? 1, 2, 3, 4. Break 1, break 2, break 3. Congratulations! Stellar effort, how about that? Amazing job, guys. I hope you enjoyed that at home. For more information or to get in contact, go to robdimazzomusic.com or find us on Facebook or Instagram at Bucket Drums.